Hello, a very warm welcome to the Higher Education Technician Summit. So I'm Helen Payne, I'm Chief Executive of the Royal Society of Chemistry, and I'm also Chair of the Technician Commitment Steering Board. And I'm so sorry that I'm not able to join you in person today, but I am delighted that I am able to record a video to share with you. So the work of technicians in higher education and research is incredible. You enable research to be undertaken, you enable new technology to be developed and deployed. You have the vision and creativity to influence the solutions to local, national and global challenges, and you support the next generation of the UK's workforce. So the Technician Commitment was established in 2017 to create a more positive culture for the technical community in higher education and research by working collaboratively across the sector to advance visibility, recognition, career development and sustainability of technical skills, roles, careers, and across all disciplines. So a really important piece of work, a very important initiative. The Technician Commitment is led by a steering board of sector bodies with the support of the Science Council and also the Gatsby Charitable Foundation. But most importantly, it is a collaborative endeavour that would not be possible without the input and contributions of many across the sector. And we would like to take the opportunity to say thank you to everyone who has worked collectively to get the initiative to this stage, and we look forward to continuing our work together in the future. So the vision of the Technician Commitment is a culture where technical careers are recognised, respected, supported, developed and aspired to as professional careers in higher education and research institutes. And university and research institutes are invited to become signatories of the Technician Commitment and pledge action against the key challenges affecting their technical staff. So in recent years, a number of supporter organisations, including learner societies and professional bodies, have joined the initiative and developed action plans to increase their engagement with the wider technical community. And I am particularly proud to highlight the Royal Society of Chemistry's action plan in support of the commitment and more broadly the important role that professional bodies play in support of higher education and technicians. So since its inception, the Technician Commitment has secured over 100 signatory and supporter institutions. We've unlocked the investment in the technical community in the region of several millions of pounds from the signatory institutions, with many now providing new financial and in-kind support to develop and deliver Technician Commitment related activities. It has also triggered cultural change at higher education and research institutions across the UK and enabled several £million of external funding to support the higher education research technical community. So alongside this, the Technician Commitment has established partnerships and engaged a range of supporting learning societies and also professional bodies to raise the profile of and engage and support the technical community. There is, of course, more work to be done, and the Technician Commitment is not yet 5 years old, and we recognise that the culture change like this does not happen overnight. And I very much welcome the findings of a recent independent review, and we'll build to ensure that we will build on these strong foundations to strengthen further the Technician's Commitment reach and effect on technical roles across the UK, and also ensure that the principles of the initiative become embedded in everyday processes within these organisations. So just to highlight a few of these successes to date, since May 2017, the Technician Commitment has initiated and built the profile of the initiation from scratch. The Technician Commitment has rapidly become a high profile in its own right in the sector and sits alongside similar initiatives such as the Researcher Concordat and the Athena Swan Charter. We've also advocated for inclusion of technician development in sector assessment exercise and also funding calls. And we're delighted that we have partnered with the Midlands Innovation to deliver today's UK Higher Education Technician Summit, along with successful events in 2017 and 2019. And of course, the HETS events are believed to be the largest conferences dedicated to the development of technicians in higher education and research in the world. We've also established ourselves as a source of expertise on technical roles in higher education through the publication of hot topic reports and policy work with government and organisations such as the Russell Group, Wellcome, Trust, Academy of Medical Sciences and the Royal Society. And we've built a very strong and visible presence on social media, which I'm sure many of you have been engaging with. And we've established partnerships and worked directly with a range of supporting learner societies and professional bodies to raise the profile of and engage the support of the technical community. And these include the Royal Society, the Royal Institution, the Royal Society of Chemistry, the Institute of Physics, the Royal Society of Biology, the Institute of Science and Technology, and the Institute of Animal Technology. And as a consequence, and with the Technician Commitment support, these organisations have all developed their own Technician Commitment action plans to engage and support technicians across all sectors. So at the Royal Society of Chemistry, we have been inspired to put in place funding for professional development, awards, training courses, outreach grants, mentoring and networking, as well as providing opportunities to become professionally registered as registered scientists or a registered scientific technician. And the professional registers, which are hosted by the Science Council, recognise technician skills, knowledge and professionalism. And these registers provide independent recognition of achieving and maintaining the exacting standards required to join the global community of professional scientists. So the Technician Commitment has created an environment where technical skills, roles and careers have increased visibility, recognition and development opportunities. And the important sustainability of these roles and skills is beginning to be recognised and addressed by the signatories. So whilst it is important that institutes sign up to the initiative, it is more important that they take action and that they deliver. So to gain an understanding of the progress to date, and along with the views of the technical community on the impact of the initiative, in 2021, so earlier this year, we commissioned an independent review of the Technician Commitment and its impact. And the feedback from the review has been so constructive, both in terms of the evidence of good practice that has been shared, but also the positive endorsement given by technicians, supporters and signatories who took part. So of course, there is still much more that we need to do to ensure that progress and impact is being felt across the sector at all levels. And the commitments are great, but it is the actions and impact that are needed to really deliver a change in culture, where technical careers are recognised, respected, supported, developed and aspired to as professional careers in higher education and research institutes. So to fulfil this vision, the Technician Commitment, together with the signatories and supporters, will continue to focus on support for individual technicians and coordinate, drive and evaluate collective action across the across the higher education research sector to ensure visibility, recognition, opportunity and sustainability of technical roles and skills. We will continue to work to ensure that technicians are motivated, engaged and proud to be technicians, and that others aspire to technical careers in higher education and research sector. We will influence policy pertaining to technical roles and careers in the higher education and research, and we will continue to advocate for technical skills and careers in higher education and research and strengthen our reputation as a nationally recognised source of sector expertise. So collectively, much has been delivered in a very short space of time, and thank you so much for being part of the Technician Commitment and for helping us drive forward change. I really hope you enjoy the rest of today's summit, and I look forward to being with you in person at a future event. So thank you very much.